Understanding a lead pipe cinch in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, a lead pipe cinch. This expression might sound a bit strange, especially for non-native English speakers. So, let's break it down together and understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Let's start by exploring the origins of a lead pipe cinch. This phrase has its roots in American English, dating back to the late 19th century. The word cinch here refers to something that is extremely easy or certain. Interestingly, the addition of lead pipe was meant to emphasize the certainty aspect, as lead pipes were seen as strong and unbreakable at the time. Now, let's focus on the meaning and usage. When someone says something is a lead pipe cinch, they mean it's an absolute certainty, a sure thing, or very easy to accomplish. For example, if someone says, "Winning this game is a lead pipe cinch," they are very confident about winning. It's a phrase often used to express confidence in the outcome of an event or the ease of a task. To better understand, let's see some examples in sentences. 1. Getting accepted into that college is a lead pipe cinch for her because of her excellent grades. 2. They thought fixing the car would be a lead pipe cinch, but it turned out to be more complicated. 3. With his experience, finishing this project on time is a lead pipe cinch. Interestingly, there are variations of this phrase. Sometimes, people just say, a cinch, to mean something is easy or certain. For example, completing this task is a cinch. The meaning remains the same, just a bit shorter. Lastly, let's discuss the cultural context. This phrase is more common in American English and might not be as well known in other English-speaking countries. It's also considered somewhat old-fashioned or informal, so it's more likely to be used in casual conversations rather than formal settings. That's all about a lead pipe cinch. We hope this video has made this interesting phrase clearer for you. Remember, English is full of such colorful expressions, and understanding them can really enrich your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.